in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new local user account on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best results, should come back with Control Panel here. Go ahead and open that up. And then at the top right where it says View By, click the drop down and select Large Icons. And now you want to go and select User Accounts near the bottom. And now you want to select where it says Manage Another Account. Go ahead and select that. And then you can select Add a New User in PC Settings. And then select add someone else to this PC. And then you can select I don't have this person sign in information. And then select Add a User without a Microsoft account. And then go ahead and type in whatever you want that user's name to be. Doesn't really matter. And then you can enter in a password if you want. We're not going to. We're just going to select Next on there. And that's what you have to do. So there you go. You have a new user account on there. If you signed out of this user account, you would see that there would be another user on the login page. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.